Okay, let's start now. I guess what we'll be doing is that we'll be doing the same thing again. I cannot do this. So I finished question 3 back then. I am doing question 4 now, which wants you to do it. Question 4 says you should W1. So they want you to basically, this is, your zeros of a regular size here, and they want you to increase its height by 2, right? And they don't want you to change the width. If you notice, the width of question of this is just the same. So W1, W2, and I've managed to do it by decreasing the height, right? I've managed to do it. We can try if there's something else in the Einops, Einops tutorial which asks you to do. This makes sense. So let's see. Decomposition, I guess. Reduce, do we have to do reduce here? No, I don't think there's space for a mean. Concatenate, maybe it's a repeat, right? So use repeat here. Stretch by 2x using PyTorch. Let's think about it. So I tried this and this looks like it, but the issue is that the width is half. So maybe I should increase the width by, the width should stay the same, right? That goes without saying, right? So how about we try this? This is what we want actually. We have to run these stupid things. Run. I lost the run time from the morning. Run this. Runs. Run this. Runs. Okay. Run this, runs. Exercise 3 also runs. Exercise 4 should work now, I guess. But the issue is rather the presence of W1, I suppose. Right, and then we display our exercise 4 and we are doing over here. So maybe we can try the stuff, right? Let's look at the list of things we have. We have repeat, I guess. Right, we can repeat across W, we can repeat across H. Hey, these guys stretch it. They change each argument 3 times. This looks like it. So what we have to do is H. We have to repeat across. I'll take care of that. But what we have to do is this W can stay the same, but we can see repeat H. Oh, we do H repeat. I see. What's the issue? Oops, sorry, let me close this. What's the issue here? Identifies only one CHW. What do they have? What do they have here? 0. HWC, HW repeat C. Okay, HWC, CHW, okay. H, C, H repeat, and then you have W repeat, and then C, W back. What's the issue with this? What's the issue with this? Oh, but is it rearrange? It's Einops dot. Oh, it's Einops dot repeat. That's the issue. Yeah. Yay, we did it. And let's try this now. Yay, we did it. Okay. What shows that you're going to do it? 5. If you take IMS 0, let's try this out here, right? We have to repeat it 3 times. That goes without saying. Well, let's check the answers. I think it should be same. Yep, same. Oh, I see. This one, so we do repeat W, it will repeat it that way. The H W repeat will fetch W at least. Okay. AR5. What are we doing in AR5? What we're doing is that we are. I'm just gonna hope my camera isn't on. God. Okay. AR5 is so let's temp. Let's just temp is equal to ARR colon 0. Okay, now we're saying something that and notice that we've lost the color of this, right? We're probably pooling something. We're probably finding the mean across the 0th layer, I think. I think so, right? Finding the mean across the 0th. We're at exercise 5. So finding the mean across the 0th. Let's just try and do that for a moment. Let's just say and do something like AR5 equals Einops dot, how to find the mean again, reduce temp, comma, it'll have CHW2, sorry, inside 2 HW, comma, mean. This should be it, right? It doesn't work out. Only available for non-floating tensors. Huh? So is it the freaking single? I can't believe it's this, but is it the single tick and double tick? No, the same issue again. Okay. So yeah, we're doing that, and we're saying concatenate over the missing axis. It's a float, but obviously you can have these as floats. What sort of nonsense is that? Okay. Maybe try max then. Oh, nice. Min. What does min look like? Okay, this should be mean then. What else is there? Product. No, we don't. Then we want max, min. This is max, and that would be min, right? We're just taking the minimum of these. What would product then? Where would this come from? This. It looks like mean to me, you know. It really does. But Einops. Right, it says it's not available for float. I'm not sure how to make this. Okay. Let's think of a. How we did it last time now? We know transform, repeat. We could do a stack, right? We could just be like np or concatenate or something. This feels like a map operation, to be honest. This is an interesting problem. I'm hoping the right thing is showing. It's not. I hate this. Why is it stuck in the tutorial? Why does OBS have these problems? Properties, defaults, yes, then window capture, wrong one, I want this. Okay, it's a weird one, right? This is min, this is max. Okay, that's fine. But what we're really wanting is to stack them, right? So we may want to repeat it, of course. Repeat, and can we combine the repeat and reduce? And what we have here is, of course, rearrange. Right, repeat and reduce are opposites of each other. Fancy examples. First net resize, compute the mean of the two. Rearrange in this manner. Wow. Arbitrarily complicated. Subtract each. But we need a way to sort of stack them, right? How do we stack them? And what we should really try is probably, maybe if we can add one, then there's this thing to add axes, repeating elements. Yeah, we can stack them using that, right? We can use repeat to do that, so we can do something like C H 2W. Be careful. We don't need the min argument, right? Yeah, 3W. So we start off with this. The first one of those, right? The first one of those should be the min. This is the product. This is the min. This is the max. I assume this should be the mean. That's what it feels like, because the colors, the gradient is halfway across, right? I'm not sure what to do. Let's see this. But now, I mean, I get the instructions, right? So, is there anything I told you about the float? No, they don't tell you anything about the float. This is a lie. But these guys. So, I mean, let's think about it. Let's how ChatGPT. Maybe it knows. Okay. We had previous conversation, right? First two elements lies. What's the shape of this again? Print AR0 dot shape. That's it, right? Yeah, I get that, right? You have this, and you repeat it, and you put repeat equals 3. Okay. The first one in that should be what? What's ChatGPT saying? Repeated first mean equals this, matrix repeated 0. I don't think that's the very Einopsy way of doing it, to be honest. What are they doing here? Repeated across a new axis. Okay. I see, across a new axis. I get this, right? Let's see what 6 is. Maybe 6 should be easier. Oh, this shouldn't be too bad. You gotta break the batch into 2 and 3. So AR6 equals, you have this equals AR Einops dot rearrange. Right. The first thing is the tensor, right? Tensor is, what's tensor? Let's say R, comma, B, B1, comma, B2, C, H, W, go, let's just put B2 equals 2, right, B2 equals 3, equals H, B1, no, B1H, oopsies, B2 times C, H, W. Oh, come on. Unknown character. Why is it an unknown character? Comma? I don't get it. Oh, the comma over here. There you go. Bingo. This is quite easy. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here's the issue. I know how to do this. I just don't know how to do it in a way that applies the mapping on top of these. I can do it on each of these, right? Individually, it's not that hard. But how do I do this and apply the mapping? Maybe I should quit and see a solution for solution 5. Huh? What? What does this mean? 5 equals this. It's an odd one. Wow. Oh, wow. Wow. I did not realize that. What's number 8? I think you gotta mean it across the width or something. Right? I don't know what number 9 is. I don't know what number 9 is. Number 10 again looks oh, I think they've taken the product. Yeah. Yeah, and then they've resized it by a bit. Yeah, it's the same. This is just... How about on each of those, I apply the mean. I apply the thing I want to do, which is, it should be max or something, right? So then we will do AR7 equals, temp equals AR equals Einops dot values BCHW 2. You wanna what? Take the BCW, so BHW, comma, max. I did. Oh, oops. We didn't do the. We didn't do the yeah. See, docstring. What the fuck? Oh, display array S7. That's odd. W. Yeah, so this is what we want, right? But why doesn't this work? Okay, let's think this carefully. There's probably some minor misconception I have. Okay, this works, right? This works very well. And what we want to do is we want to then do this. Okay, I have, and let me just try something really stupid here. I have B. I'll just quit it into B1, B2, where B1 equals 1. Right, so B2 must be equal to 6. And then we reduce it into B1. I mean, I get what to do, I just don't know how to do it. No! No, I can do it. I can definitely do this. What is this? What we're saying is that B1, there's a comma here. I think that's one issue maybe. Let's see if I have another comma. Incorrect format, C docstring. Okay, but this still works, right? There's no need for B1 actually. B1 is kind of unknown. What's wrong with this? We're saying the missing axis should be to the max of it. Okay. Oh no, this is just temp, right? Actually, no, wait, this is just temp, right? This is just temp. And AR7 equals Einops that reduce temp, comma, B H. Oh, let's just print temp.shape for a second. Temp.shape. I know it's going to be 6, 150, 150. Very good. AR7 equals Einops dot reduce temp, comma, what? I'm making a mistake here. Temp, comma, something's happening, right? Temp dot the range temp, comma, BCHW, B. So we have, so we'll split into B1, B2, HW, 2. Now my no, I can do this. My height should B1 equals 1. So then B1H, B2W. Hell yeah, we did it! That's right. We were just being stupid. Let's see the solution is. Mine's quite ugly. Ah, they do both of it in the same step. I see. Okay, what's exercise number 8? This shouldn't be too bad. We just have 6 left, right? Or we didn't get 6 last time. Copied from solution. I think 6 and 9 both are going to be quite difficult. The rest should be okay. Okay. I think what they've done in this is that they have found the mean over everything, but we cannot. I use the district mean. They've used we cannot find the mean over this because it's not allowed apparently when you have floats. I think they want a wide floating point precision issues or something. Maybe, who knows, right? Maybe you can try the min. Right? We try the min over the width. Huh. That's disgusting. AR8 equals Einops dot rearrange we're rearrange ARR, comma, BHCW2. It's reduce, reduce 2. It's on the ACR. BH that's BCHW, right? BCH, comma, min. I did this last time, yeah. I don't get it. So yeah, so now we have. So we have these BCHW, then we get BCH to min. Means what? No, I get the format is wrong. Shape. Alright. So it becomes this is a 6 by 3 by 150 by 150. And now it becomes a 6 by 3 by 150. But we want to keep the other 150, right? Maybe we should try this. CHW min. Yeah. Because we're not reducing on the video, we're reducing over the batch. Every batch we take the minimum of each and then we get the, like, wherever it's dark. Honestly, I have no idea where 9 comes from. 10 actually I can do. 10 is just this, but scale smaller. Right. This is our first one. No, this is our problem solution. It says not. Array number. This comes solution. So array 6 is my own hard work, right? We have this. Array 6. Then array 10 is just array 6 scaled smaller, and we have a scaling over here, right? They haven't said it's closed book or anything. Both height and width. Well, height should be shrunk by 2. So now we have, interesting, we have C by H by W, right? So AR10 equals Einops dot real age AR6, comma. It starts off as C by H by W. And what we want to do is we want to say, hey, C should have no issues, but the H should be half. So let's convert this into H1, H2, comma. Well, H1 equals H2 equals 2. W becomes W1, W2, with W2 becoming 2, right, without any axis lengths, right, or quarks for some reason. So C stays the same. What's the new height? The new height is a half of the old height. New height is half the old height, right? So that's H1, right? H1, what's half of that? What happens to them? Other part. I don't know. W1? I think. Well, what's my new height? It's the old height. W2, I guess. And W2. Same thing, right? We're not really doing any changes. But we have to scale it down by a quarter, right? This is just this. Not sure how this works anymore. But if we quit this, we get 7 on 10. I think 7 on 10 would be a decent score. But people right now is trying to say that is the width also half? Right? So, yeah, width is also half. It comes right in the middle here. Oh, right. We figured out how to get it. We gotta do a repeat though. But it's a 0.5. I don't think repeat takes floating point arguments. That's correct. H1, H2, W1, W2. C, B1H, yeah. B2W. Oh. Huh? What does this do? I get what this does. I see. Very nice. I see. And this is the weirdest of them all. We take 2 and then we CWH. Let's just switch it. But where's the other half gone? There's like so much other stuff, right? Double click to zoom back out. I did double click. Double click again. Okay. But where's the other half gone? Like, I swear to God, this looks like a 2 to me. Where's the... How is it even rotated in any form? I don't know, man. There you go. Is anybody seeing this? I'd be very, very, very surprised if anybody was seeing this. Please don't be seeing this. Thank God. I'm so happy. This we got. Ha. Because we're doing the reduce, we don't need to. Oh. I see. That's where the blurry part comes from. Okay. What the hell is T now? I don't think we have imported this. I think we want to consider torch as T or something, right? Maybe I didn't run that. Import torch as T in collab. Make sure this thing exists. Blah blah blah. Einops numpy. Have you done this? Import torch. I think they meant to at least. This is no longer in the T part now. Good. Let's comment it out for a second. Using torch.arange and einops.arange. So we got to do, I think it's torch.arange 3 to 8, right? Yeah, start and that's okay. So input equals torch.arange 3,8 print input t-range. My bad. 3,9 then. Dot shape. Einops dot rearrange input comma. Let's look at it. What's shape again? 6. So we're now gotta do it into 3 by 2, right? So 6 by 1 and 3 by 2. So we gotta do Einops dot rearrange. I don't know, B1, S1, S2 to where 3 to S1 equals 3, right? Where S1 comma 1, S2 comma 2. Oh, I want to do rearrange, sorry. God bless me. And we are wrong. Oh, we have done this, my bad. We haven't done that, right? Output. Oh, we haven't returned it yet. I see. Oh, I'm just being like extraordinarily stupid things like. Sorry. Return. Passed. Worked. Okay. So input equals. Let's just. Input equals torch.arange 1,7 print. That shape is just 6,1, right? It's just 6. So Einops return Einops dot I don't know input comma. Well, we have this as 6,1, so B S1 S2 S for size, just cause fuck it, that's because why not? S1 S2 S1 equals 2 goes to, well, we need it now as 2 comma 1, so S1 comma 1 S2 comma 1, right? Let's hope this works. Oh, I have an issue here. Comma. Oh, I don't know why I'm very Python brain to put commas everywhere. And we are now in 6 by 1? No, what the hell is this? Yo, this is the first input. मैं भी हूँ तू भी है यहाँ खोए खोए सड़कों पे सितारों के कदमों पे Yeah, I think we're going quite far on this. Rearrange 3. So this is 1, right? So this first input is 1, right? It's not 1 by 6 because this thing is the actual thing, right? There's something over there. And this is again, it's 1 by 6 by 1, I guess? Don't do the assert yet. Try something. Input equals t dot arrange 1 comma 7 Einops dot rearrange input comma turns. One. What the hell is this? Well, we can add things to Einops, right? Add an axis or something. So let's just do it to make it 1 comma 6. Adding addition of removal of axes. Okay, we can do that. I see. So what we want here is 6,1, right? So that's, yeah, let's just do that as S returning. Suppose I did this, right? Once S. Call rearrange 3. 1S1 would give me this thing. Do these look equal to you? They look equal to me. Passed. You can do this with a single call to reduce. What is this? Single call to reduce, huh? It's interesting. So we definitely got to reduce it. We got to find the mean. So what they're expecting us, I guess, is to like sort of do a rearrange and then a reduce, right? So you want to rearrange this in terms of, 7 comma n, right? So then you want to say that you have, no, I see what's going on here. So what you're doing is you have this, suppose you have 14, for example. I don't know if the number is actually 14. It's 21, right? I have 21. So I want to cut this into a 3 by 7 matrix. I want to find the entire mean of that, like row by row. I want to find the mean, right? And then I want to combine those back into one single thing. So, I mean, you guys can't see my face. Hopefully, I'm not wearing a proper attire. It's so hot over here. But that's what's going on here, right? And let me just check the stream of this. Studio, channel contents, tab, reload, God knows how long. They don't allow this links in the descriptions. How do I get verified? Give them video verification. Take my ID. I think I have given Google my ID for so many things. I don't know why they can't use it the first time. Yeah, you guys can't see my stream, thankfully. Can't see my face, sorry. I hope you can't see my stream. Okay, saved. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now is first do a... I'm not gonna do this, right? But I am going to do temperature to average temps, right? Okay, good. So what I am going to do is going to say, hey, let's, you know, in terms of week 7, so temp, oh, sorry, temp is a, T cannot happen, right? Temp 1 equals Einops dot the range. Whatever the, it's a S1 by S2, and in this case S1 equals 7, right? And it should return what? Well, if S1 equals 7, we wanted S2 S1. Print temp 1. Oh, pattern. We have rearranged it. Oh, we haven't put the input. God, kill me. We see the 3-dimensional tensor? No, theta tensor is a 1-dimensional tensor. Oh, temps. That's working. Now we gotta find the mean of it over this thing. Temp 2 equals Einops dot reduce temp 1 comma S2 S1 2. Well, S1 is the 7 one, right? So you gotta keep only S2, I guess. Comma mean print temp 2. That's very odd. That's very, very odd. Why is this giving me such a weird thing? That makes no sense. Let's print temp 1 too, just to ensure we have this correct idea. 71, 75, 70? Huh? What's going on? We're not chunking them in the right way. Well, this is 21, which is 7 times 3. Okay, that was very weird. What the hell just happened there? Okay, it's S1, S2 is 3 times 7. Which means I have 3 rows of 7 items each. Correct. Oh, then last time I had 7 rows of 3 items each. Right, we want to have 3 rows of 7 items each. I see. 3 rows. Print temp 1 dot shape. 7 by 3. Oh. Yeah, into 7 by 3. Then we reduce across the S1 axis, right? That we keep S1 only. We only want 3 values, right? We don't want this 7. So then we return temp 2. Smart compiler flag this. Now we gotta do is gotta say we want temps to be S1 to mean comma s2 equals 7. Then don't do this, but do the assert. Passed. Temperature difference. For each day, subtract the average for the week the day belongs to. Okay, we have the averages here. So we'll definitely take temps. We'll definitely find the averages this way, right? This is the average. So average equals this. For each day, subtract the average for the week the day belongs to. I get it, right? So we have this 71 here, and we got a 71 minus the first average, 71.74. 72 minus first average. Oh, maybe we can broadcast this to be 3 by 7, right? So then we can say, you know, something like let's do this thing where we keep fixed shape. Changed shape is a better name, but change shape equals Einops dot rearrange temps, comma, what do we want S1, we want to be in terms of S1 S2, where S2 equals 7, right? And then we need yeah, so S2 S1, right? Just edit this, but print changed shape. No, I want it 7 by, I want it 3 by 7. I want 3 by 7. Minus average. This is 3 by 1. कागज के पर्दे हैं पानी है दरवाज़ों पे पानी में डूबे हुए कागज़ों पे. Subtracted equals this minus this. Return Einops dot rearrange. Subtracted. It's a 3 by 7, right? So that's yeah, 3 by 7 to, well, 3 times 7. Passed. Well, they must have a more elegant solution. They convert it into subtract the weekly average and divide by the weekly standard deviation. I mean, my method just does it, right? XRC, XRC, XRE, F, G, H, H2, H3. Wow, that's a big one. It's a huge one. Okay. Shouldn't be too bad. We're already at C or something. We're almost at C. Almost. Okay, I gotta check my phone. Give me a second. I'm currently live streaming it. Let me just send it to someone then. Someone says, I'm currently live streaming. I can do this one, right? You find the standard deviation, or process charge to STD to reduce. Gotta reduce it week by week, right? So, how do you find the standard deviation? So you say, hey, standard deviation equals, sorry, bunched equals, we gotta bunch it, right? Einops dot rearrange. After rearrange what? Einops dot rearrange are temps, right? Temps is S1, S2, and we want it. Let's just be very clear about this. We want it to be a 3 by 7 thing, right? We have 3 rows of 7 items each. So we put S1 equals 3. Okay? Fine. This is stupid. It's been pissing me off the whole time. S1 equals, so S1, S2, standard deviation, print bunched to ensure we're doing the right thing. Correct. Then standard deviation equals torch t.std bunched. Alright, works out so far. Then we can do the same thing. We're gonna have a minute. Then we can reduce subtracted. Well, now you just gotta do return subtracted slash standard deviation. You should print this. Nope, it's wrong. And we can figure out why it's wrong. So we're gonna subtract this correct. And divide by the weekly standard deviation. Let's print out the standard deviation to see what's going on here. It's a friggin' one-dimensional number. Shit. Oh, we have to do standard deviation and put the axes also. Dimension equals 1, I think. So, I'm not sure how torch works. Standard deviation. It's okay. Don't do that. Okay. Yeah. So now dot shape 3. Oh. Equals standard deviation. You know, I think a smarter way is to do keep dim true. Maybe then it won't be necessary. Yay. Okay, we did it. I think Torch will do the broadcasting itself, right? We also can just do print subtracted slash stash. Woohoo! 3 answer equals. I don't know. I have this thing. So deviation return Einops dot rearrange the answer, comma. What's the shape again? It's 3 by 7, right? So S1, S2 returns S1, S2. And that is an issue. Why is that an issue? Oops. Yay! I think it should work out. Let's pass. That's a beautiful thing to see. Always. This is a very hard one. Of size and of size n by n. I know how to do animatrix, but you have to do like a friggin' So the animatrix is just quote unquote just, right? This is a neat one. So suppose n equals 0. Let's look at our base case, right? What would I do? I would just return 0. I would just return zeros, right? If n equals 1, I would return... What the hell is animating size 1? I don't know. 0. Again, the same, right? There's probably more than mine, that question. But, yeah. Fine, it is the same thing. I just made mine more explicit. I mean, let me think through this. Okay, I am officially out of ideas. I will think through this and I'll get back to you. But this is a pretty short stream, less than an hour, I think. Let's see how long the stream was. It was... Hi, one watcher. Oh, it's probably me. It is an hour long. Okay, that's good. Let's stop it then. Alright. See you next session. Maybe about today evening or